Welcome to Gourmet Candles Beginner Candle Making Course. My name is Emerald Hill and I'll be guiding you through this program. I help goal-getters and aspiring entrepreneurs achieve a healthier work-life balance by guiding them through the steps necessary to build a thriving candle making business. One that creates lives of freedom and fulfillment. With almost a decade of candle making experience and running a very successful candle company, I'll be teaching you the basics of the candle making process and how to apply your newfound skills into a revenue generating business. I began my candle making journey after realizing how much of my children's lives I'd missed due to my hectic work schedule. Even in a 2-parent home and at the ages of 3 and 7, the ongoing routine of breakfast, school commute, work, help with homework, cooking dinner, dishes, bath time, bedtime, it left little to no wiggle room for anything else. Promotions at work meant more money, more work, and even less time with my family. Weeks melted into years, and the overwhelming amount of guilt began to develop as I watched my babies grow, knowing that I struggled to be present for their precious milestones. Working 40 hours per week from age 18 to 65 for an average of 46 years and 97,760 hours at a job that would quickly replace me, leaving me wondering how I'd take care of my family, never felt like a life that I would be willing to live, let alone compromise my family and life for. 2 years into starting my business, I chose my family. I submitted my resignation letter and decided to become a full-time entrepreneur. With only 2 options, either to create the life I wanted or settle for the life I get, I had no choice but to boss up and take charge of my own life. Since then, I have not missed a single school dance, violin recital, track meet, karate tournament, school trip, back to school night, parent-teacher conference, church choir performance, honor roll assembly, or baseball practice. After a decade of self-employment, there isn't a number on a check that any employer can write to convince me to give up my freedom and disrupt my peace. Self-employment has many rewarding benefits. They include unlimited income potential, flexibility to set your own working hours, and a very rewarding position in doing something that you genuinely enjoy doing. If you would like a slice of the billion-dollar candle industry and would love the benefits of working for yourself, then this program is for you. This course is packed with an abundance of information on how to create candles as a beginner candle maker. Even if you're not an experienced candle maker, you'll be provided with step-by-step instructions on how to create candles, supplies needed to create candles, and there's even a free business candle making planner, which includes a checklist for starting your own business. By the end of this course, you'll understand how to create and test candles, terminology, common candle issues, and their solutions. You'll learn the difference between essential oil, fragrance oil, wick and wax varieties, and so much more. If unlimited income potential, scheduling flexibility, and learning a new skill are your thing, then I invite you to enroll in this course today. The perfect life-changing opportunity will not knock twice. So if you're serious about changing your life, you'll find a way. If not, you'll find an excuse. See you in class.